In 1958, steam was in everyday use here for shunting on the meter gauge trackage of the Brunig line. And on standard gauge, here on ballast dredged from the lake. It has been unloaded from a barge at the quayside near the goods yard. Under the wires, of course, shunting was powered electrically, usually quite rapidly. A DE44 motor parcels van of 1928 on a local train. Lucerne is a terminal station. The many through trains must reverse here, needing lots of light engine movements. Hauled by an AE66, an express leaves for the Gotthard line. In this area, people seem to mix German and French in everyday speech, hence this sign outside the depot exit. We start our tram riding from outside the railway station, crossing the River Reuss by Seebrücke. The station frontage seen behind the tram is different now, since the fire of 1971. Line 1 was operated by Swiss Standard trams, a design dating from the late 1940s. Passengers boarded these cars at the rear, buying their tickets as they passed the conductor's desk, then passing forward to sit or stand. Exit doors were at the middle and front. Having only one driving position and doors on one side, all terminals had to be loops. Although modern, these cars had seats of shaped plywood on metal frames. The two cans on the window pillar contain green lamps to signal that a passenger wishes to alight at the next stop, the lower lamp signifying the trailer car when there was one. We return along the Schweizerhof quay with the cathedral behind. Beyond the horses, the station tower, now no more. The entire station frontage has been rebuilt. Omitting most of the route, we arrive at Kriens. Round the loop, and away. To pass the standard gauge connection to the goods station of the private KLB line, whose daily train ran over the tram tracks. Back again at the station to ride on the old cars of Line 2. round the loop at Emmenbrücke and back again. A Swiss milkman passes by. Lucerne's white trams were rarely seen. The Schweizerhof Hotel had run this battery-electric minibus for many, many years. This line connected Schwyz station, actually in Seven, with the centre of the original Swiss national capital. Later, the line was extended to Brunnen on the shore of Lake Lucerne. The original trams of Edwardian days were kept until the end came in 1963, when the line was closed for road widening. And so we terminate, close to the landing stage of the lake steamers. The Brunnen-Morschach-Bahn ran from 1905 until 1969. Electrified with three-phase AC at 750 volts, it climbed through the woods. Past the depot, the level site of which has since been occupied by a large tourist hotel, to end at a viewpoint. Trains were built on the articulated Rouen system. Passengers not in the know had to be let out by staff releasing a safety catch on the compartment door. We look across Lake Lucerne to Seelisberg, above Rütli Meadows, where the Swiss Confederation was said to have been formed in 1291. Looking down to Brunnen as a paddle steamer arrives.